Yo, yo, yo. Great day, great day. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. Um, as we see here, we got silver. It's in a bearish trend. I'm saying that it broke that recent high. So let me go ahead and mark my highs and lows. I always start out with the top-down analysis before I get into any trade. And here I changed it back to yellow. I don't know, it just look better to me. I like the red because when it costs the red, that's when I know it's strike time. But yeah, we got the yellow arrows showing, representing the trend, making lower lows easier to see highs and lows, just give you a better direction rather than all these just crazy candles trying to trick and confuse you. Here we're getting closer to where price is at. And like I said, once price made that low, it broke that high. Here, it broke that high. So price could definitely come back down and retrace the most recent high that it broke and continue up. Or, like I said, it could sell off from here. And I have, like I said, where price broke the high. And on the 4 hour higher time frames, this could definitely be a significant area. So now we're getting closer to where price is actually at. Because a lot of other stuff really don't matter. It just gives you an idea of where price is going, where it's been. You gotta know the history of things before you just dive into it. But here I'm marking my zones. I see my gaps on the bullish trend. This is where price could fall down to, retrace that, and continue up from. So, like I said, I have my two zones. Going back down to the lower time frames, or to the 1 hour. And there, guys, I didn't really see too much. Like with trading, don't force it. You see what you see. It is like you just read what's there. Don't read what you think or what you want or anything like that. So like here, I see it's kind of a gap. You kind of mitigate it a little bit. You can make it smaller. Um, like I said, price never really retraced there. It's respecting. And I marked my lows as well. So here's the most recent, the major low of this bullish leg. Also marking down the break that I see on the bearish side. So here, this is what made me delete that box that it's under. Looking at the wicks and just price action, and it's slowly bringing in the sellers. Not even slowly. I could just see after that strong break right there that it gave. Um, it rejected off that box, which was a fair value gap. And like I said, now it never broke that high and it's continuing down. Yeah, I'm just like I said, I'm just looking. Sometimes it's also see some gaps here. That price could definitely come down to and retrace. Like I said, I didn't see too much there. Not trying to force it, you know. Um, going down. It's on 15-minute. Seeing my areas as well. So like I said, since I seen that break to the downside, I'm looking for sales. So now I'm looking for the closest point of interest to the sell side, or favoring the sell side, which is the box I just created. And like I said, that bearish candle, that 15-minute bearish candle right there, that's what I like to see, for it to continue down. Like if it wants to continue a certain way, you're gonna know, you're gonna be able to tell either from the wicks or just the full body of the candle. And as you can see, 2 times the price tapped into this rectangle and drop down. So that's also giving me that price doesn't necessarily want to break that level just yet. It needs to get more people, basically get more money from the downside to continue up. So here I'm just seeing, since I'm on a 3-minute, I'm looking at my entry. I'm seeing, okay, once price break this low here, this is when I'll be comfortable actually getting in for a sale and, just entering the trade. This is what's going to correct. This is probably one of the last steps in my confluences that I need to see in order to enter the trade, of course. So like I said, price is rejecting off those zones. I put my stop a little bit lower than those highs because that's a little bit reasonable. If price breaks those highs, then I'm no longer bearish on it. And I know price now could definitely do a retracement to the upside before continuing down as well, because it's also faking out to the upside. That's what the market does. The market does a lot of fake outs. If you're not like, what's the word, 100% or just confident in your trading and what you do, then definitely looking at the market and trying to trade can mess you up, because the market is going to do the market things. It's going to wick out. It's going to do fake outs. It's going to reject. You know what I'm saying? It's like life. It's a lot of up and downs. And as long as you know on a bigger time frame that you're in an upward move or a downward move, it doesn't matter if it does a retracement up or down. Just know that the major move is either up or down, if that makes sense. Like, is it because, like I said, it's different time frames, so each time frame is going to have different price movements. It's going to represent differently. It's going to show differently. That's why you have to use all of the time frames. It's very, very beneficial to use all the time frames. So here I'm getting my TPs ready. I don't know what took me so long. I was trying to change the color in the font. But like I said, once it breaks 31, I really believe my entry was at 3,100, I believe. Like right at 31. Once it broke 31 for sales, then my TP was about 30.800. So that's the low that it has to. That's the most recent low that it made, and I know price is going to go back there before continuing up. So like I said, once you know how price moves, it's just knowing when to get in and to get out. Once you have your entry, like I said, it's all about the 3 things: your entry, stop loss, and you take profit. Once you have those 3 things and you have confluences about those, then it should be no question why you're hesitant or second guessing yourself. Unless something crazy in the news happens, then I don't think, you know what I'm saying? Like, it shouldn't be I marked this up. I think it could, but you know what I'm saying? It's just, you gotta just be strong with your confluence and have faith in yourself and what you know and the time that you put in. So here I'm also looking at other TPs. So there's my first TP. If price continue and the momentum wants to continue down, from that first TP, I would be looking for another entry um, to continue down some more. Of course, it's kind of maximizing my profits. Like I say, you can minimize your risk and also maximize your profits. So, like say, if price goes down to TP1 and it doesn't show any retracement back up to the downside, I'm into the upside. You can definitely trail your stop. You can trail your entry. So instead of your stop loss being at entry or like I said, and profit. I mean, you stop loss in profit. And so say your entry is at 31 and you sell it to 30, you you can move your stop loss to 30.500 so you can at least get half of that move, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, price is going to stop you in profit. So that's another thing that I also do to try to, not try to get a advantage over the markets. And here's like an overall move. So this also can be long-term plays as well. Like, I'm more of an intraday trader. I probably can get into about 2 to 3 trades in a day on one pair, but I'm also looking for a long hold. So um, that's why I also start on, like I said, the higher time frames, because if I could get a solid entry on a 5 minute candle, but at a 4 hour POI, then that's when that things are going like that. That's when the most profits are made. Because you can be able to look at a move and get in on a Monday, but 3 weeks later still be in that move and only be halfway through the move before it hits your TP. So you know what I'm saying. Like I said, it all depends what trader you are, what type of trader you are, how fast you like your profits. But here, like I said, I'm marking my zones for the day. For the day, though, I'm only looking for maybe 150 to 200 pips. Anything less than, I'm most likely maybe not gonna trade it. But if I see that it can be a long term trade, it just is slowing momentum right now or anything like that, then it's just a matter of holding. But each day, each trade, I wouldn't say each day, each trade, I'm looking at least I want at least 100 pips. That's minimal. 100 pips with like a 30 pip stop loss. I'm risking half to double, my profits. But here's where we have the pullback. And I could definitely keep talking and showing you guys how the market is doing. But I definitely, I woke up in a different mood today. I was definitely just going to do a voiceover and just literally, what's the word, time lapse everything. But nah, this definitely deserves more than a time lapse. I bet, but I'm back. I don't know what it is, but yo, you gotta go and turn up, bro. Like, come on, at that time, bro. Like, ain't me on no cliche, no lame fugazi, like whatever, however you wanna call it. Ain't no none of that. They just some real deal talk. Like, hey, bro, come on, get right, bro. Like, for me to you, for one, I'm gonna tell you, I'm proud of you, bro. You feel me? I'm proud of you. You working hard. You doing your thing. You doing what you gotta do, bro. You feel me? But you know you got more in that tank. You know that ain't all you got. I know it ain't. You know it ain't. You feel me? Don't let whatever situation in real life or whatever like that, whatever going on, don't let that. You feel me? Nah, we kings around here, dog. You feel me? Even if you're a female, we queens around here, dog. Can't nothing get to us. Can't nothing defeat us. You feel me? talk positive, you feel me? Think positive, you feel me? Most importantly, worry about yourself, you feel me? Like, and this one really on, like, this just on different, this real, I think this EJ talking, you feel me? EJ Boulè talking, you feel me? Get it right, don't get it twisted. Make sure you know, but if you don't know, now you do know. Anyway, you feel me? Really listen to what I'm saying. Really take in, really soak what I'm saying, what I'm trying to get through to you, bro. Cause it's that time. I don't know if you know it or not, but you see what's going on for real. Like out of life, I'm talking life. I'm talking real spill. If you see what's going on, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But for the one that was lost or whatever you've been under the rock or whatever you've been at, you need to go and get right, bro. With yourself, with your spirit, with God. Most importantly, yourself. You feel me? Lock in, get right. Come telling you, shit finna get, things finna go down and is going down. You feel me? It is that time. Y'all better get on the motion, get on the wave. You feel me? I ain't even trying to make it seem like I just know it all. But hey, like I said, I woke up with a lot on my mind today. And I've been doing that a lot lately, like, and I just either been having to write it out or talk it out. And today I'm talking it out. But boy, I'm telling you, you've been bullshitting with yourself for way too long. Like I said, you know you got more in that tank. I know you got more in that tank. Bring it out. Let's go. I'm telling you, they not playing with us. Them folks is not playing. And when I say them folks, I know y'all should know who I'm talking about. And y'all should know who I'm talking to mainly. And it ain't got nothing to do with skin color. Nothing. But that's a different, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get on that topic. You feel me? It's just it's just some of the downloads I've been getting, and I just can't keep this shit to myself. Like, there's no way. There's no way. We got one of the most OG dudes in office right now. You might not like it, but it is what it is. You gotta just, like I said, y'all gotta see stuff for what it is. Y'all so stuck on delusion and what you want. You gotta know what it is. You feel me? Like, a lot of stuff be right there in your face, plain in sight, grabbable, and I just let it just dangle. You feel me? Some of y'all turn around and bend over, and some of y'all just watch it dangle. You feel me? But, like, it's just something y'all just gotta really, I don't know, but I ain't even trying to be weird or nothing like that. Like, I'm saying it how it really is, you know? I'm not finna try to sugarcoat nothing, or, you feel me? It just, I wish it was just something that I could, like, they gonna bring it. It gonna be coming out. Hey, watch what I say. Watch this. But it probably I already got or it's coming out. But like they put some on my brain or like on my temples, and it like show up like a damn projector of like what I'm trying to say. But no, for real, like I don't know, man. I don't know. But yeah, bro, you get right, bro. It's time to turn it up. For real. Like, it's time to turn up the right way. You know what I'm saying? When I say turn up, I'm not talking about don't get the down Julio, act the Julio. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about the Casamigos for the Fricos. It's like, nah. No. That's not what I'm saying. I'm talking about turn up in spirit and in life and frequency. Like, you know, like just really, ah. But yeah, I'm smiling hard, pretty hard as I'm making this video, you know. Hey, happiness, I ain't gonna lie, it's different. When you really happy for it, it's different. Like, I don't know how to, I be trying to explain it to folks, but I don't know how. You just gotta experience it, you know what I'm saying? But the ones I be explaining it to, they know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking to the people that don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking to the people that I can say something, they know exactly what I'm saying, but I just can't get it out because I'm fully, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just experiencing. I'm in the moment. I'm recognizing. I'm aware, and they like, yeah. You going through, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that's why I say, bro. For me to y'all, for me to you, bro, because I know some of y'all might not have them type of people in your life, you know what I'm saying, or are able to talk to people like that, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, bro, what they telling me for what they getting for the other folk, you know, like they, we can keep, I ain't gonna, but that's why I hate when I ain't even get to talking about certain stuff because it brings up certain stuff that I don't even want to talk about. But y'all, I'm telling you, y'all think this shit a game. Y'all in a game, playing a game. That's all I'm saying. And that never made sense to me whatsoever. But hey, it is what it is. But if you around me and you gonna rock with me, EJ Boulè, I'm gonna let you know from the jump, from the ripple off the gate that this ain't dead what it used to be. You feel me? You gotta come with it. You know what I'm saying? It's just dead. I think, hey, you feel me? Just it is what it is. But I'm glad I figured out by myself though. I ain't saying it by myself as in like, you know what I'm saying? By myself as in I actually seen and I went through stuff and all the stuff that you gotta go through as a man. You know what I'm saying? To really, really, really get a grip and see what's going on. But yeah, man, I'm talking y'all. Y'all see TP hit. But they say, bring me my money. You know what I'm saying? Tell them stop playing. You feel me? Yeah, that's just that. Continue busting these charts, busting these markets. You need to get in with me. I'm gonna drop the link in the bio. Hey, this is more just a money thing. It's more than money. It's mentality. It's motivation. It's way of life.